Stoicism is an ancient philosophy that teaches us how to live a good life. It's about staying calm, focused, and resilient, even when things get tough. In this video, we'll explore what Stoicism is, its core principles, and how you can use it to improve your life. Whether you're dealing with stress, anxiety, or just looking for a better way to live, Stoicism has timeless wisdom to offer. Let's dive in. What is Stoicism? Stoicism was founded in ancient Greece around 300 BC by a philosopher named Zeno. It was later developed by famous thinkers like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus. At its core, Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control and let go of what we can't. It's not about ignoring emotions, but understanding them and responding with wisdom. Stoics believe that living a virtuous life full of wisdom, courage, and self-discipline is the key to true happiness. Core principles of Stoicism. Stoicism is built on 4 key ideas. Focus on what you can control. Some things are in your control, like your thoughts and actions. Other things, like external events or other people's opinions, are not. By focusing on what you can control, you reduce stress and gain peace of mind. Practice acceptance. Life is full of challenges. Stoicism teaches us to accept what we cannot change and see difficulties as opportunities to grow. Live virtuously. Stoics value virtues like wisdom, courage, justice, and self-discipline. By living according to these virtues, we find meaning and fulfillment. Memento mori. This means remember you must die. It's a reminder to live each day with purpose and gratitude. How Stoicism can help you. Stoicism isn't just an ancient philosophy. It's a practical tool for modern life. Here's how it can help you. Reduce stress. By focusing on what you can control, you let go of unnecessary worries. Build resilience. Stoicism teaches us to see challenges as opportunities to grow stronger. Improve relationships. By practicing empathy and understanding, Stoicism helps us connect better with others. Find purpose. Stoicism encourages us to live with intention and align our actions with our values. Stoic exercises to try. Here are 3 simple Stoic practices you can start today. Morning reflection. Each morning, ask yourself, what challenges might I face today? How can I handle them with wisdom and courage? Evening journaling. At the end of the day, reflect on what went well, what didn't, and what you can improve. Negative visualization. Imagine losing something you value, like your job or health.
Ow.
This helps you appreciate what you have and prepares you for life's uncertainties. Conclusion: Stoicism is a powerful philosophy that can help you live a calmer, more meaningful life. By focusing on what you can control, practicing acceptance, and living virtuously, you can build resilience and find deeper happiness. What do you think? Are you ready to give Stoicism a try? Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and remember, the obstacle is the way.
Oh.
See you next time.